I will show you how to create new repository in Git. Open your Chrome and type GitHub, and here you can select first option, and then here one symbol you can see. I have created already my account. You also can create, and you can create one username. Then when you click on this create new, so here new repository I want to add. So here you can give one new repository. I will give name like my demo repo. So here I can give my demo repository, and this should be private or public. You can choose whatever you want, and I want to add readme file as well, and then create repository. So this got created. I will show you how we can use this repository in Visual Studio Code. Let's say I have added one files, like I have one project there. I have all the files like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Those files, if I want to push it here, what we need to do? First, what you can do is here go to settings, and if you scroll down, uh, here you can see default branch. Just open it, and here you can see some uh, some of the commands. So if you want to keep main, you can keep them, or else you can change the branch default branch as well. Now go to folder and create one separate folder. Here I will give my demo app. Just press on it. Here when you enter here, just open command prompt. When you open here, first what you need to do is first command git config hyphen global, and then you can give username, user dot name. This one where you can find, that I'll show you. So go to this browser. If you scroll up here, you can see this one. This is my username. Just copy them and paste it here and enter. And also you need to configure email as well. Here user dot email, and email you can give. So the configuration part done. Next command we need to enter git init. Okay, and we need to add whatever we have created repository, link it here. For that, git remote add origin space, and go to browser. When you click on code, so here you can find the code. Just click on it and go here and paste it here. Here not origin. Okay, just click on it, and then what you can do, you can create separate file. For that you may go to Visual Studio Code and open that folder. I am opening that folder. Here I have my demo app. I'm just opening that and I am increasing font size, and I'll create index.html, and I can add some of the code, HTML code. So here HTML and head title my demo app, and then we can also have body. Inside body I just want to give one header, my app I will keep. So this is the code. This code I want to push. So for that what we need to do is we need to check what is the changes that we have. Get status command we can run. We added index.html. Then we need to add, if you use add, get add space dot, you can add all the files. If you want to add specific file, you can add them as well. Just index.html. So we kept our index.html files in staging. Now what we need to do is git commit. We need to do committing my first commit. So just click on enter, and then you can push your changes running with this push origin command. Git push origin -u master. So when you go this command, our code will be there in the repository. Now you can see our push pull request. So go here and default branch you can modify. If you want to modify, you can modify them. So here main branch to master I am keeping. So this I want to update it. Just click on this button. When you go to code, here you can see your changes. If you open, this is the code that I have added. That's it.